Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. So I am actually at a Chase Bank right now. My bank that I'm doing business with, I drove down. We're in a pretty good sized city, and it's the only branch though in the city. And I just came to these signs at the door right here, and it says that they are closed, temporarily closed. They literally have, I'll open up the door, they literally have the bars right inside here. The branch is closed. It's closed. You can still go to your ATM in here, but this room's closed. And it's not telling you why. Now, right now, it is a Thursday at 1 o'clock. This isn't like a temporary, hey, we're gone to lunch. The branch is literally closed. Now, it says if I go 2 towns over, I can get in. Now, guys, we're talking about Chase. And yes, I know it's the camera's turned around, but I've got it on right now. So somebody's yelling, don't bank at Chase. And so think about this. The branch is closed because they don't have enough employees. This is really happening, guys. Like, how do you feel? Like, you need to go and do a transaction right now. I need to go wire money. Whether I want to go buy silver, gold, Bitcoin, I need to go do my banking. Now, I know that, like with Chase, honestly, the wiring online is actually pretty sweet. I got to admit, that is pretty sweet. But let's say you're not that kind of person. You don't want to do online stuff, and you want to come down to your branch, and you're met with this. Literally, you go look inside, nobody. There is not one person at this branch. This is actually pretty impressive because you watch YouTubes about these things happening all around the country, and like literally, look, as I'm sitting here, there are multiple people walking up, reading this sign, and they're going, what in the heck's going on? Oh man, my brohawk's messed up. Man, I look like Bam Bam. I am a wreck right now. I just want my banking. But it's not happening. And it sounds funny because you're like, Ninja, why are you smiling? You should be getting your banking on. Well, I should, and this is where this gets scary. Because we've talked about banking holidays. We've talked about issues as economic collapse happens. And we saw a lot of trouble in the banking sector, you know, when Lehman collapsed, with Washington Mutual and so many other banks, right? But this is impressive. This is Chase. Welcome to the bank that had that massive short position on silver. And they're closing branches. Why? You know, a year ago, I was warning people, you know, just so you know, you can't go and withdraw all your cash in your account. You can't just go down to the bank and withdraw $5,000 or $10,000. Why? They don't have the money. They literally do not have enough cash to allow you, or they want you to sign all these documents pretty much and prove that you're not a criminal, right? But now you've got those issues now compounded with, I gotta go drive across town, which I'm going to. I gotta go drive 2 towns now to go and do my banking because I need to get some documents filled out for some business that I'm doing across the country, right? And so I just wanted to prove this. Like, this is something that's gnarly. This is something you want to prepare for. Now, here's the solution, all right? You want some advice? This is some advice. You should be in multiple banks. You should have bank accounts in multiple large banks, multiple regional banks, smaller banks too. Those are different, and local banks. But then also look at the difference between a normal bank and a credit union. I personally have like 9 different banking institutions. Why? So that this crap doesn't happen. Now, honestly, I started doing that probably 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and I run my businesses, all different banking, things like that. I even have some businesses that have multiple bank accounts, different companies, so that this crap doesn't happen, so that my life doesn't stop, that I can keep doing commerce. All right, guys, with that being said, I just want to show you guys this. If you're ready to break out of the system and look at something else, if you've been looking into gold and silver for a while, I do have some affiliate links of companies I've worked with for over 10 years that I've not worked with, I've used to buy precious metals. I've also got cryptocurrency because there's a day where these guys are not going to be doing so well. And I'm not just talking about Chase. I'm talking about all kinds of banking institutions. All right, guys, that being said, see, there's more people lining up going, what in the heck just happened? I better run over to the other bank because I have a feeling all these people are about to too. The Economic Ninja is out.